everyone, it's me Kia again, and for today's video I have for you like another swatch and review. Now if you have seen my PBE vlog, in case you haven't, then I'll link it up in the cards, also in the description box below. Go check it out, of course, after this particular video. And if you have already watched the vlog, you would know that as soon as my sister and me entered the event, we made a beeline to this particular counter, and that was Fair Maidens. And there we got their most coveted collection, pastel neon water marbling kit. Oh my god, you guys, this was sold out last year, and this is the first purchase we made because we were scared कि इस साल भी ये sold out हो जाएगा तो सबसे पहले जाके ले लेते हैं. And yes, we got our hands on it. It has beautiful 6 neons, one silicone water marbling cup and a water marbling tool as well. तो इसी के swatches आज हम देखने वाले हैं, and watch the video till the end क्योंकि एक surprise भी है वीडियो में. So yes, go ahead, watch the swatches और उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे the pricing, availability, the shipping details and all that good stuff. So on to the swatches now. Alright you guys, so these were the swatches of 6 beautiful neons of this collection. Now technical बात पहले कर लेते हैं. जो पूरा collection है वो as a kit ही available है, individual polishes available नहीं है. The kit retails for $50 और हर bottle में 15 ml की quantity आती है. और kit of course includes the water marbling cup as well as the water marbling tool. ना अवेलेबिलिटी की बात करें तो द सेट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन देयर वेबसाइट, जिसका लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. सो गो हेड, चेक इट आउट इफ यू वांट. And shipping, yes you guys, they ship to India. Oh my god, that's the best part, right? Yes, of course shipping hai, so they have two types of shipping, like standard and priority. So you can choose, of course priority will be like a little expensive than the standard, but that's totally up to you. Okay, so here is the deal you guys. I believe the brand is closing down because both the makers are starting their own individual brands. So this is the last time they're gonna be stocking the Fair Maiden ka products. and like as closing down thing, they have like 30% off on their entire website. So I believe this is the only and the right time to get this particular collection if you want to. Now talking about the brush of these polishes, they are like white bristles wala brush, but again they are white flat brushes with a slightly curved edge. So like application में कोई भी problem नहीं है, कोई mess create नहीं होता है. So yeah, that's a thumbs up from my side. Now talking about the quality of the polishes. Yes, I know these are sheer polishes, but I guess that's an intentional part on the maker's part, because they are more towards water marbling rather than to be worn on their own. But yeah, of course, if you want, you can wear them over a white base for more opacity and vibrance. When it comes to the formula of the polish, they are pretty smooth and self-leveling. तो formula wise तो कोई भी problem नहीं है मुझे. And yeah, the polishes are pretty great overall. Now, talking about my favorite polish, I believe when it comes to neons, you would already know that I love these type of highlighter shades. Oh my god, and this one is lemon ice. So this has to be my favorite. I'm planning to use it over a white base and see how much opacity and vibrance I get. Of course, I'll update you guys, but yeah, this is my absolute favorite color out of all the 6 shades. Now, if you thought that I'm gonna be ending this video without showing you the water marbling capabilities of these polishes, then you are in for a surprise that I was talking about in the intro. So you go ahead, enjoy this clip of me using these awesome polishes for water marbling, and I'll catch you at the end of it. All right, you people, did you see how beautifully these polishes water marble? And trust me, I don't water marble as often, so if I can do it, then you can do it too. Currently, I have the water marble on my nails, and trust me, it's gonna be really painful to part with them. But oh my god, I really enjoyed this water marbling process with these beautiful neon polishes. They were a dream. And yeah, with that, we come to an end of this particular swatch and review video. I really loved, enjoyed these polishes thoroughly. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you are planning to pick this collection up or not. And is there any other brand you want me to swatch and review for you guys while I'm here in the States? I would love to hear from you guys. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it's absolutely free, and don't forget to ring the bell icon beside it. Plus, as I always say, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you, keep yourself hydrated. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye bye.